So how do you begin by meditating on Leela, that your mind should be filled with the playground of Vrindavan. All right, everyone looks at pictures of deities. Everyone looks at pictures of Leela Stalis. And they have tour and guidebooks to Varsana and Vrindavan and Braj Mandal. And we look at them, and they're in Hindi, they're in English, or Bengali, Russian, all languages. That's very good. But there's looking, and there's also meditation. So we should see those pictures and then meditate on those Leelas and chant japa. So this is the final, what he's saying here is, Manome, oh mind, you're thinking of so many things, and you want to play with so many things. The mind wants to play in this way and that way. The mind is a playful friend that never leaves us, even at the end. You know, and we die, and the mind says, "Oh, I'm coming with you." I said, "Wait a minute, I wanted to leave you back here." You know, I was hoping I could leave. When I give up this body in that pile of ashes, I would like to leave you in the ashes. Oh, I cannot be burned by ashes. I'm going with you. So this is a prayer to the mind. Have you heard of Manashiksha? Manashiksha, this is different devotees have written Manashiksha. Our Raghunath Das Goswami is, of course, the most prominent one and oldest one. So as far as Raghunath Das Goswami's Manashiksha, there are many verses, but the first one is the essence of the whole book and the most important one. It says, Shri Guru Goshtalishu, Shri Guru Goshtalishu, then Sujane Bu Suragane. That's the first line. So he says, and then the last line is Bratri. Bratri Mano. First he says, Rati Apurva Rati Atitaram. Apurva Rati Atitaram. Ati means excessively, and Tara means Tarant. Like in Hindi, Tarant means now, right away. Jaldi, jaldi. So he's saying, Apurva Rati. Rati means bhav. Rati means attachment. He's saying Apurva. He's saying, listen, brother. Like we have Bratri, Dvitiya Puja in Kartik. Yamaraj worships Yamuna in Kartik. It's called Bratri. Duhitra. Duhitra means daughter, and Bratri means brother. So he's saying, oh brother mine, oh brother man, listen, please develop unprecedented love, apurva rati, unprecedented love. For what? For Shri Guru. Rati, Guru Rati, is apurva rati for Guru, unprecedented. Unprecedented means no equal. No one can compare to the love I have for my Guru. No one can equal to me. No one can go greater. Unprecedented. Like the first time, the best time. If he says Shri Guru, then he says then Goshta. Goshta means the land of sound. Gosh means sound. So Goshta means Goshstan. Goshta. The land is filled with sounds. This is Braj. Braja Goshta. Braja is filled with sounds. What kind of sound? Ah! Ma! Ma! Because the baby, the small baby cow, Vatsa, he's calling for his mother. He goes, Ma! Ma! And she says, Bacha! Bacha! She's Vatsa! So they communicate. So there's now the sounds are motorcycles and cars and all these things, and ghetto blasters or jukeboxes, whatever, all kinds of wild noises. But it's named Goshta because it was a forest, a vipin, Braja Vipina, and everywhere peacocks and parrots and myna birds and koil and cuckoo and so many beautiful sounds everywhere, and ducks and swans and deer and animals, and all singing and making their own vibration. Everyone was making their own vibration and sweetening the environment and tantalizing and exciting the atmosphere and the ambience with their presence and with their very vibration. So it's the Goshta, it's Braja Goshta. This is Vrindavan. unprecedented love, a purvarati for Vrindavan. So much so that you rather, even if someone threatens to kill you if you don't move, you say, I'm ready.